Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. It's Muhammad Abdullah with another video, and in this video we will learn how to install a Raspbian OS, a default OS of Raspberry Pi, along with Oracle VirtualBox. So this video will gonna be in English. If you want to see the Urdu version, you can check the link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's start the installation process. First, we need to install a Oracle VirtualBox for a virtual machine. So open your browser and search for Oracle VirtualBox. Here, search for virtualbox.org and click the first link. And now this interface will open, and click on Downloads. Now here you can find Windows hosts. Just click on this and save this file of 102 megabytes. Once the file is saved and is downloaded, now double click on this file and it will start the installation process of VirtualBox on your system. It's a pretty simple step, and in few simple steps, a VirtualBox will be installed on your computer. Now click next here and leave it at default. Just click next and next. You can want if you have a desktop shortcut or not. Just click yes and click install. It will take a few moments, and after this Oracle VirtualBox will be installed on your system. After this, we will start installing the Raspbian OS. Here it will ask you to install some certificates. Just click install, and it will complete its installation process. Now the installation has completed. Just click on finish and take the box of start Oracle VirtualBox. So here we have our freshly installed Oracle VirtualBox. You can see we don't have any virtual machine yet, so we will gonna make one of Raspbian. Search Raspbian in your browser. Raspbian is the default operating system for Raspberry Pi. Here in the research, search for raspberrypi.org and click on the first link and navigate to downloads. Once you are in downloads, scroll down to the Raspberry Pi desktop. Here it is, Raspberry Pi desktop for Mac and PCs. We are installing it on our Windows PC. Just click on this picture and it will open up this downloading page for you. You can see it's Raspberry Pi desktop, and it's some 2.9 gigs. So just click on download ISO file, and it's 2.9 gig ISO file, so it will take some time. That's why I have already installed it. So once you have installed it, you can start this process. Now once you have downloaded the ISO file, click on the new in the Oracle VirtualBox and give a name to your new virtual machine. I am giving Raspbian desktop here, and we know it's a Linux distribution, so select Linux here in type, and it's a Debian distribution of Linux, so select Debian 64 bits. Now click next, and here you can give it a RAM size. I'm giving it 4 GB. You can select anything of your choice, and just go with the default options. Create and next, and here you can give the hard disk to your virtual machine. In my case, I'm giving it 10 gigs. You can give it 20 to 50 gigs on your requirements. So just hit create, and your virtual machine is just created. You can see the information here. You have allotted it 4 GB of RAM, and you can see other details here. Now click settings. Make sure that you have selected this Raspbian Pi desktop, and in settings navigate to storage and controller ID empty, and then select this disk icon and choose a file that you have just downloaded it. I have downloaded it into my software folder, so I'm selecting it from here. Here it is, Raspbian desktop. Just open it and press OK. Okay, so now you have to start your virtual machine by selecting this Raspberry desktop. Click on the start button. It will start the installation of Raspbian OS on your created virtual. So if he asks for the select startup disk, just click cancel here. Now a blue color window will appear, so you have to select graphical install from there. After you have select graphic install, this window will appear. Now select your language and continue. Now it will start the initial installation process. It will take some amount of time. It depends on your computer specification, your RAM size, and your CPU. It will take some time, so I am fast forwarding the video from here. Once this initial installation process has been completed, you will see a window like this. So we will go with the default option, use entire disk, and select continue. Select continue here too, and we want all file in the one partition. It's recommended for the new user, so it's good not to change it. Select continue here too. And yes, we want to write the change to disk to install this virtual machine. Select yes here and click continue. Now it will start the installation process. It's right now copying the data on our VirtualBox from the ISO file. It will also take some time, so I am fast forwarding this video. Asks you for the grub bootloader. It will help you to boot into your Debian OS. So click yes and select this disk from here, which is dev/sda. Select this and select continue. Now it will start the final installation process. After it will ask you to click continue to finish the installation process. Now once the installation process is finished, it's time to boot into your newly installed Raspbian OS on your VirtualBox. So it's restarting your virtual machine. After this, you will see this grub bootloader page. Just click enter here, and now congratulations, you have successfully installed a Raspbian OS on your VirtualBox. Here is the welcome window of Raspbian OS. Now in few moments you will see the desktop of a Raspbian OS. It's just booting up, and here is our desktop of Raspbian OS, which is the default OS of Raspberry Pi. So we quickly have to set up our new operating system. Just select next here, and it will ask you for your region and languages. So select your region and language here. It will ask you for your password, so click next here and then set up your password. Let's quickly set a password. After setting up your password, click next and skip the update. You can skip this update and you can update it later, and also skip the restart option. So now we have successfully installed the Debian OS on our VirtualBox. Now This is built in with many useful features like default ID for Java and Python development. It also has MS Office for Linux, and also have some very handy tools. And you can check the configuration of your Debian OS in the preferences and Raspbian configuration. Here you can find all the useful options regarding your Raspbian OS. So this all for today's video. In next video I will tell you how to deploy first how to make a server and deploy it on a Debian OS. If you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friend, and also subscribe to my channel. So we will meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.